Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, I hope you are watching the videos and learning and enhancing your communication skills. So today we are going to speak about the most important topic of the conversation, that is called greeting. Usually I have seen people get confused where to use hi and where to use hello. So I'll tell you a simple logic over here. We should greet people with hi whenever you greet someone who is at the same age or younger to you. So we can greet them by saying hi. So with name it's more effective, like hi Ramesh, hi Geeta, hi Suresh. Second important thing is when do I use hello? So usually we use hello to greet the elderly people, somebody who is elder to you, maybe your teacher or your boss, maybe your family member who is elder to you. At that time I can address by saying hello uncle, hello aunt, or maybe hello sir, hello madam. So this is the way we should use hi and hello. In my following videos you will learn this through a easy conversation. So guys, keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye for now.